Hi, friends, and welcome back to Science Fun Time. I am so excited for today's adventure. We're going to become super scientists, exploring amazing mini experiments you can try right at home. We'll use simple things from your kitchen to create real science magic, like making a rainbow in a jar or making raisins dance. So grab a grown-up in your curiosity because things are about to get wonderfully weird and fun. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, the exploding volcano. Just add baking soda, a splash of vinegar, and boom, a colorful eruption. Science is so cool. Next, let's make squishy slime. Mix glue, water, and slime activator, then stretch and squish it. Isn't it awesome? Now it's time for some magnet magic. Watch as the paper clips dance without even touching them. It's like magic, but it's science. Ready for a mind-bending water trick that looks like pure magic? First, carefully fill a glass all the way to the brim. Now, place a flat piece of cardboard on top. Now for the exciting part. Quickly flip it upside down. Wow, look, the water stays inside. This isn't magic, it's science. The air pressure pushing up on the cardboard is stronger than the water pushing down. Isn't that amazing? Try it with an adult nearby. And that's a wrap on our amazing science day. Wasn't that incredible? Science is truly full of surprises, and the best part is that you get to be the scientist while having so much fun. We made a fizzy volcano erupt, created super stretchy slime, and even made raisins dance. We explored the invisible power of magnets, defied gravity with floating water, and built a colorful rainbow in a jar. Wow, what an adventure! Which experiment was your absolute favorite? And which one are you going to try at home with a grown-up? Let us know in the comments below. We can't wait to read all about your scientific discoveries. If you had a blast exploring with us, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe so you won't miss our next STEM adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep experimenting. Bye for now.